Hello and welcome. Today we will introduce rPath and our approach to systems automation. Who is rPath? rPath is a 6-year-old startup based in Raleigh, North Carolina. Our founder was a part of the original Red Hat engineering team who developed not only RPM, but also Anaconda. Our customers include a wide range of industries, all with a need for rapid, repeatable, automated production of software systems. Today, IT is under pressure to package and deploy software systems more rapidly than ever, and with fewer resources. But this process remains painfully slow and expensive because of a gap that exists between application development and IT operations. Once an application is functionally complete, it's thrown over the wall to IT operations, and they have to build a running system around it, discovering dependencies, installing an operating system, as well as middleware and the application itself. Then they must configure, tune, and tweak the system to make it work. This is a very manual, ad hoc, subjective process that has a severe impact to the business in terms of time, cost, and risk. There are a number of key factors that we see driving the requirement to automate. First, the need to do more with less. There's a high demand and low availability of resources to power business means that companies need to find a way to move faster. We also see an accelerating change. We see a fast-paced, competitive environment with an increasing rate of change over time. Thirdly, the overall scale of IT systems are getting larger. The need to move from virtual systems to cloud-based models is increasing. And finally, compliance. The need to be able to audit and understand what is deployed and verify its correct installation are requirements for many industries with sensitive information, such as credit card-based operations. rPath is a company that provides next-generation system automation to reduce time, cost, and risk with a unique approach of deep system modeling to rapidly provide production-ready IT systems. rPath enables the storage of all your company's software artifacts into our version-controlled repository, the organization of those artifacts into groups, and subsequent distribution of systems and updates to physical, virtual, and cloud targets. How does rPath approach system automation? Firstly, we make use of a model. A model is a blueprint containing implicit and explicit selection of software artifacts. This model is the central unit of management within rPath. Secondly, we version control everything. Moving quickly is great, but understanding what you've done is equally important. Version control allows users to know what they have done long term. The rPath approach to automation includes uploading into our version-controlled repository all software components in use at a company, and then creating system manifests that model an entire system. While we don't provide the packages directly from an operating system vendor, what we do provide is metadata that is at the core of the system's ability to do dependency resolution as well as automate system builds. What can you do from a model? A model can be used for several purposes. Firstly, a model can be used to automatically generate images. The rapid provisioning of images to a wide variety of physical, virtual, and cloud targets provides both flexibility and scalability. Incremental update and rollback of systems. Changes within the rPath system are powered by chain sets, eliminating the need to redeploy entire golden images for small changes to a deployed system. Thirdly, audit compliance. The manifest gives you an immediate understanding of exactly what's on each individual deployed system. And finally, consistency of promotion. The ability to reduce the number of changes that are required across your software development lifecycle. This helps reduce system drift, promotes consistency, and ultimately enables automation.